Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Training Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. After a small break, summer break, as you probably know, I don't trade in August and I don't look for the charts because during this period market is for me not good to trade. So I have a summer break during this period, and at the beginning of the September I again start to trade. So that's why I prepare here this weekly forecast. But before that, I just want to give you a quick update of our trades because all were closed. Probably I will record separate video where I explain a little bit more about those trades which I discussed during live trading room. As you can see, all those trades are closed and we reached 24.5% in 3 months. Also, I missed some trades there, so results could be better. And also, my management of the last trade was very conservative. So definitely, you could achieve more. But I just want to I just want to update you about that. That everything is closed. So currently, no trades are running, and we start September. So we will see what we might get. So. Before I go to charts, I would like to invite you to visit my one-on-one mentor site. If you are interested to get same results or even better, just click the link below this video in the description. You will be redirected to this page. You can leave your name and email and I will get back to you. We can have a free chat to see how can I help you. If you want to learn more details, everything is of course described below. There are also videos how we will learn together. And just quickly, I just want to tell you that I put a lot of effort during our training on mindset part because in my opinion this is key part to achieve long-term success in trading. But of course, I also teach you how to trade with our strategies and how to plan everything. So again, link you will find below this video. So now let's go to our charts. And the first is Aussie Swiss franc, and as you can see, weekly time frame, we had this very big spike, but currently price is still pushing down. If I zoom out a little bit, we will see that price with this spike, and this spike was around the July, August somewhere. Yes, so price spiked to this previous spike. So basically, we had this retest of the lowest point, not exactly to the pip. There is still room, but currently we see that price is still pushing down. It's making this strong red candle. Momentum is right now to sell. Daily chart, we have right now this daily short 1, 2, 3. After period of range, currently we are getting momentum. So what we will try to look here is to find setups. This is our trend line. Level of target, of course, is this previous bottom. So what we do, we go to 4-hour chart and we can look for first setup here on the 4-hour chart. Right now, everything is confirmed. So we wait for that. Short scenarios, 1-hour chart will be too late. There was this choppy move. Right now, I'm not interested to sell it here after this retracement, but after retracement on the 4-hour chart, I will be more convenient to see this, and then definitely short scenarios on Aussie Swiss franc. Some other Swiss francs are similar, so we can pick up the pair which is better or will create better setups. Of course, we will discuss everything in our live trading room. Euro yen. So as you can see here, price broke 36 CMA. What is also interesting, and of course we had this huge drop. I made here 1,000 pip profit in USDN, but I could achieve more still. So we have weekly chart here, and we have trend line breakout. Okay, if we pay attention, we have another line here, but it's with the two touches, so it's difficult to say where exactly it is. If I zoom out, let's maybe go to the monthly chart so we will see better the whole perspective. here. So as you can see, price reached those highs, yes, those last top, yes, and last time there was huge drop here, yes. So this will be interesting to see if we have exactly the same or we'll get, you know, something in between, because before price dropped, you see we have retrace to the 36, bounce, retrace, bounce, and then this. So we will see if this situation will happen again. Definitely, price seems that it's like to retrace also on the monthly chart. So if this happens, of course, 36, and this area of support zone is strong level. So we have another 600, 800 pips of possible price move. I just want to give you idea of the weekly chart. Sorry, monthly chart. So this is our support, but on the weekly in between we have this level. You see everything here is pointing down right now. So if we go to daily chart, this trend line was broken. We see that price is building momentum. So currently what we want to do, we could have this, but didn't happen. We have, of course, NFP on Friday. That's why I didn't trade also this week, first week of the September plus NFP. I prefer to wait. Now, if price make that, this will be our signal to look for short scenarios and target previous bottom. Okay, so this is 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart. It's two again. I'm not interested right now. If you like retracement, short scenarios, 5-minute entries, why not? But I'm more interested to look for 4-hour chart. Euro New Zealand. On the weekly chart, it seems to be like a big range. However, now weekly is also making for us possible long scenario with this spike. So, and it started to push up. So what might happen? Maybe we'll get another up move to retest this previous top, or maybe the last high, or maybe we'll get just lower high and the price will make that. We will see. This is weekly chart, so there we have a lot of room because it's around 500, 700 pips. If you go to daily chart, right now we have a little bit of confusion because weekly chart is pointing up, with that daily chart is pointing down. So what we can do in this case, of course, we can trade in both direction because we pay attention for the daily trend. So if you get breakout of this trend line here on the daily chart together with the 36 EMA, you will get the setups here. This is your option to look for buys to target the previous top. Okay, but if you like, you can also trade with this short daily 1 to 3. Okay, target previous bottom, and if this weekly long quantity won't hold, the price still can go to this zone. Okay, so this is what we can do. So if we jump to the 4-hour chart, this is our line. So basically, no, we don't want to jump in yet. You see, we will see on the 4-hour chart trend line was broken. Okay, yes, so we can say, okay, why not to go long? Because there is still 36 EMA and we have to pay attention for that. So basically, that's why I draw it this line in this way, and we are interested more to look for clear setup above. Yes, and then if price breaks that, short scenarios, but not exactly on the 4-hour chart, it will be better to jump on the lower time frames because our goal is previous bottom. GBPAUD, what is happening here on the weekly chart? We see that price spiked on this previous area of the resistance, retraced, now it's pushing up again. So if the momentum continues, maybe we'll get even move to this previous top. Okay, so there is a lot of room to go up still. Currently, we are more interested to target previous top, of course. We also have this trend line on the GBPAUD. Let me just like that. You can also make maybe different angle like this here. Okay, so basically you see it's also might be like a form of the wedge. Anyway, now it looks quite interesting to buy. We also have you see during the summertime this huge spike on the Aussie pairs. It was around 500 pips, but after period of range, right now it's building momentum. So what we are interested to find here is a setup, of course. Yes, so we want to make retracement. Of course, this is not perfect perfect price action because we had this range. Now it's going up, but still, if we get something, this will be interesting to buy it. Entry target this previous top 1-hour chart. Also day traders, yes. So retracement back to the 36 long scenarios on the lower time frames are also okay. So this is GBPAUD, GP New Zealand dollar. here, as you also can spot, price tested, retested this strong reaction. But what is nice here, that it's still, you see, it's making right now long 1 2 3, so it's making those higher lows, and it's also make this higher high, so we can have a continuation again to retest this zone before or price breaks continues, or we'll get bigger retracement and price will drop down. So we have this trend line. Yes, so now we have this long 1 2 3 on the weekly chart. And what we want to see, we see that price currently is breaking 36 CMA. If we look for daily trend line, it's not so great, as you can see here, but it was broken. Price start to be above the 36 CMA. So what we are interested is to find a setup, yes, but I like to have setup clearly above, okay? So if price, let's say, reject this level and will go down again, I will not take any short scenarios here, but I will patiently look for maybe price to reach this line. Let me just, yes, if we don't get, and price will continue reach this line, and then I will try to look for long scenarios again. So I'm more interested to long right now than to sell. Because of this weekly chart, and we are on the 36, so I'm more for longs, okay? But I need to have clear signal which is showing me that really price would like to go up. And gold is the last, like always, no, very, very strong up move on the weekly, monthly chart. Yes, everything is pushing up. We were in some trades on gold, but to catch those strong moves, you have to manage this really on the weekly or daily chart. So it means that you have to hold those trades for days and months. Yeah. So it's not for everyone, but of course it's also possible. But of course we never know if we get such move or we have smaller move. Okay. So now it's pointing up, but it seems that it stopped on the weekly time frame. Of course, we expect retracement. I expect retracement. We're back to the 36 EMA, back to this area of support at some point. Right now, it seems it stopped, but there is no signal for me that we might to have retracement. Also, daily chart, you see, it start to play around. So this is our support where possible retracement might happen. This is our trend line. So for me, the first indication that we might to get this retracement will be this daily trend line breakout. We also have some support here. But if we have, you see, and what I usually like to see for possible retracement, that 12, it's like extra confirmation for me. So if price breaks 12 EMA, then for me it's like a confirmation that price might to go lower. As long as 12 is holding, price still might make some continuation. So we see, so ideally we really would like to see that price is below this support zone, then short scenarios target that. But of course, day traders, scalpers are also welcome to trade this if we go to lower time frames. But currently we have range, so basically this is all only in the trading in the range. Yes, so basically if price reach this support long, or if price just spike reach this, also long scenarios target this, because longs are with the main direction. Yes, this is daily, this is weekly chart, so the price still can push up without any problems. Okay, but currently you see range. If we even go to lower time frames, okay, we are in the range. But on the 1 hour chart, trend line was broken. We are below the 36 EMA. So what you can do as a scalper, short scenarios, target what? Support zone here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, but as long as you know where you are. If you, let's say, don't like to trade in the range, you don't touch this pair and wait for clean situation. Of course, whenever price breaks that, we still continue for buys. Okay, guys, so that's all about my forecast. Again, I prepare a separate video for this results, to like a short recap. I will explain you a little bit more about the setups, what I exactly did, maybe I will also show you some trades which we missed during the summertime. It will be not long video, and of course we will continue to trade in the September, October, November, and December. So we will see what kind of the results we'll have at the end of the year. And if you are interested in training, if you want to learn more how to trade in the healthy way in trading, I would recommend to visit my one-on-one website. If you have any questions, leave your name, email, send message. I will get back to you. We can have free chat at the beginning just to understand your idea. You will also get access when you sign up to this one-on-one program. You will get access to the advanced trader program where you first study the basics video, where I also do live trading room, and then we will go through the mentoring section. All details are below what exactly you will get. You have also free trading strategy, exactly what I described here. I do also in the live trading room, so those results are based exactly on this strategy. And below you also have videos where I give you more details about how I exactly will work with you. And the most important part, of course, for me is my plan for this mentoring, because I decided to make it because in my opinion trading is not only technical part, not only strategy and risk management, but also mindset part, which is the most important section for long-term success. And this is how that's why I have this, because in my opinion this is like full project which I want to share with you. So I will basically teach you how to work with the mindset, why this is important, how to support your limiting beliefs. Then it will help you to trade with my strategy and to organize everything. Yeah. So if you have any questions, leave me just your details here at the beginning of the page, or at the bottom of the page you have full contact form. You can send your message. I will of course back to you as soon as possible. So thanks a lot. Wish you all great week, and see you soon. Bye.